another fucking video, and take two, because I got a phone call in the middle of this. But we're gonna start with this chart because this is the trade that I took most recently. USD CNH, Chinese yuan. It was looking like a solid trade. It was looking pretty solid. It just didn't go our way, surprisingly, because it might have just been like one of those things where it just gives like one more spike before the fall. That's kind of what I'm thinking, because a lot of the other pairs off of the USD news reacted, like Australian dollar USD, for instance. USD did not go up like this. It actually went down, so I'm not sure for the reason of this going up other than it's just taking out this high, which is fine. We lost 2%. Happens. Just go into just a little bit of technicals here. Had the fair value gap in here. It was perfect, hitting that liquidity. And then we had, you know, our CSD. CSD happens, boom, I'm in that bitch. And we were, yeah, it was like where this is at, around here. And then I was expecting to take out these lows eventually, but that didn't happen, so is what it is at the end of the day. But I'm gonna still be watching this pair to see what it does, because I still think that it's going short. I'm very short on the US dollar right now, so we just have to wait and see what happens. Yeah, that's pretty much all there is to talk about this one. In these videos, I'm not gonna talk too much about the technicals, because I'm gonna save that for like when I make people start paying me, because I'm not just gonna give away all the sauce. But we can look at AUD JPY, and this trade really fucking grinds my gears, because the thing is, this trade was profitable, but I got fucked by the broker. So on every feed, including this one, this is the start of the day. My broker had it gap, and it took this out. It literally, this is a fucking, you're talking it was like way down here too. It was like a 20 pip difference of opening. And so instead of me staying in this trade like I should have, because I believe I entered off of this somewhere like in here, I believe it was on a lower time frame I got the entry, but I had my stop right at this low, because I knew the news was coming out and we were at a level where I was seeing that the reversal was possible. And as soon as that happened afterwards, I was like, dude, what the fuck? And I wanted to re-enter, but the problem was, because whenever markets just open, the spread is really high. So if I was to enter, it wouldn't have mattered in the long run, but in my mind I was like, I'm gonna get a horrible entry, because it's just this giant spread that I have to work with, and then my risk to reward, it's all fucked up. So instead of like entering right here, let's say, my fucking entry's like up here, like almost double what it should be, and then it's like a 1 to 1.6, which isn't bad, but it's just like, really? Like, what the fuck? So that definitely pissed me off. But yeah, at the end of the day, there's nothing I could do about it. I just took the loss. Sometimes that's gonna happen. Sometimes your broker's gonna fuck you, and you just have to be ready for that. It's a part of the game, unfortunately. And yeah, this trade would have been successful, but again, it is what it is. I'm pretty sure from this point on it's gonna start reversing, so Friday will be an interesting one. NFP's coming out. I expect this news to probably be negative, but if we just look at some of the USD pairs, like, I don't really want to look at USD Jappy, but let's see, Friday, this is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Well, this has been actually like semi okay, but let's look at like, well, I know USD CNH has been up. Monday started here, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Yeah, so this surprisingly has been up. And then if we look at AUD USD, Monday, Tuesday, a little bit of reversal. And then I know I have Euro. Sorry if this video is just not the best. I woke up really tired, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday fell. So Euro's oh, this is Euro AUD. This isn't even Euro USD. What the fuck? Where is Euro USD? Did I get rid of it? No, it's right there. Okay, so yeah, also Euro USD's been dropping Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So I don't know. This might go further down actually. I'm surprised these I've been dropping with the news not being that great. You had ISM, that was okay. Jolts was bad. ADP, NFP was not good. CAD news. Is that, yeah, that's, oh wait. No, that already happened, refresh. Oh, they just, yeah, okay, they stayed. And then we got Thursday unemployment claims, and then NFP, and then also, alright, is the market even fucking open at that time? I don't even think it is. We have CPI for Chinese yuan. Huh. Interesting. Yeah, so I'm just kind of looking at the fundamentals, because it's not really adding up. Doesn't really make sense. So I would be inclined to say Friday is probably going to be reversal day. But I also want to look at EuroCAD, because the rates came out at 9. That was right here. Nothing really significant. This is all choppiness. Don't like it at all. Yeah, still pretty bearish right now. So that's that. That would be crazy if we can take that out, but yeah, just a little review, just a little recap, because I've been showing a lot of the wins recently. Got to talk about the losses. AUD JPY shouldn't have been a loss, like, at all, but you know, shit happens. CHF JPY. This is, if we still held that trade from the very beginning of the week, we would still be in profit. So, but this could potentially start to go bullish. That's what I'm thinking. So yeah. Oh, this is really interesting. Did this take this out? No, it was so close though. Wait, was this that wasn't CPI? Why did this move at 2 like that? That's weird. There was no news that day, at that time. Interesting. But that would have been a good buy. For sure, for sure. Boom, right there. Meet your maker. Even targeting just that. 6.68. That's so fire. So fire. Anyway, guys. Didn't really go into too much technical. It's just a little review for today. Any gems to drop? Well, just know sometimes your broker's gonna fuck you. It's gonna happen. Sorry. Just know your broker's gonna fuck you over eventually. They're gonna be like, oh, it's the liquidity provider. There's different liquidity providers for every broker, which is true. But when almost every other feed is showing there hasn't been like a major gap on a pair, and then you mysteriously get some giant gap down when nobody else has it, it's pretty suspicious. But it happens. You just have to take it on the chin and just keep going. Losses are definitely a part of the game, and even with the losses that I've taken, I'm still up percent right now for the week. So we'll show some of the losses on Instagram on the shorts and post all that stuff and update. Right now, I don't know what pairs I'm gonna look at. I'm kind of go through them. CHF JPY I'm still interested in. AD JPY I'm still interested in, but I'm less interested because I don't know. We'll have to see how the news reacts, but I'm less interested just mainly for the fact I feel like I missed my entry on AD JPY because I think that it's gonna start going up from here at this point. So it's unfortunate, but it still has the bearishness to it. So we could come a little bit lower, possibly even right here, and then have some type of reversal. We just have to wait and see. So there could be an even better entry, and if it doesn't happen this week, it could come sometime next week. So AED JPY I'm definitely keeping my eye on. I don't know why, but I really like USD CNH just because it actually moves pretty clean, and when it moves a fuck ton, and you can get some pretty good entries with like not that big of a stop loss, and you're chilling. Like it's pretty good. So anything else I want to talk about? Loss is part of the game. Get the Prime Market Terminal, 15% off. Join the Telegram. Like, comment, subscribe. Definitely subscribe if you haven't subscribed. We've been stuck at like 85 subscribers, 84 subscribers for a minute now, so I need them subscribers. I need to get to 100 at the very minimum. And yeah, we're just gonna keep growing, keep posting our wins, posting our losses, showing the whole fucking shebang, and hopefully you guys follow along. Hopefully you guys learn something. I'm not giving everything away, you know. I'm not talking about everything that I see, everything that I'm processing, because I do eventually want to sell, you know, like a mentorship, a monthly subscription. I have like different things in mind that I want to do, but those are all things that I'm building towards, and eventually we'll get cracking. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on Friday. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, always uploading. So yeah, anyway guys, thank you. Peace out.